Hello and welcome to the next tutorial of WP Maps Pro. In this video, we will learn how to give a different style to your Google Maps. Let's dive into this topic. Click on Add Map or Manage Map page. As I click on Manage Map, and then click on Edit Map, this window appeared. Scroll down and point to Map Styling Settings section. Select any feature type, element type, and color. Here, feature type is used to select the geographical objects on the map, such as the road, the water, and the parks, etc. And element type is used to target the element that is part of the geographical objects, such as the object shape, the fill, the stroke, and the object labels, etc. Click on Save to save the map. Let's see the result by adding a page from the top left. Here, added map code. Let's publish the page to see the output. Here is the map we'll create using elements. Now let's move towards Change Map Theme. Using this method, we can display and manage our custom map, as well as implement our own map skin. Let's see how we can customize the style or theme of the Google Maps. First, we need to go to browser and write snazzymaps.com. Here we have a lot of options. I click on this and copy this JSON code. After that, we will back to our Manage Map page and click on Map Styling Settings section. Here, paste it. To apply custom Google Maps skin, click on Save Map to see the changes. Let's display the result. Here, our own map skin applied. You see how it's easy. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned how to give a different style to your Google Maps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.